Good morning, everybody. We're still here at the Hidden Valley RV in Tijeras, New Mexico, and I think you might have saw the video in their last edition. They have a little nature trail. We're gonna go walk on it. I don't think it goes very far, but we're gonna go find out. There, guys. Don't know where that goes. We might walk up there later and figure out where that one goes, but right now we're going to take this little path and see where this goes. It might not go anywhere. Who knows? Oh. It branches off here, Leslie. Well, obviously we have to go up, so here we go.
I didn't know we were doing that.
We're on a nature trail.
I got my sticks.
You should always have your sticks.
Well, they're always in the truck. In the clothes somewhere.
So there is a couple little branches here, but you can see where they've laid the rocks, so it's okay. I just found a whole nother part of the campground I didn't even know was here. Whose campground is this? This is... Alright guys, I'm a little confused, but I just found another campground. Is this still a Hidden Valley? I have no idea, but look what we found. How would you even get to this? I'm gonna go down here and take a quick look. I have no idea which one this is. Beats me. I don't know if this is part of it or not. It said no left turn on that road, so that road must be for going out only.
It goes up that hill right there.
Yeah. Well, it was a bit confusing, guys. Not quite sure what we're seeing here.
It's a parking spot.
Yeah, it's like a primitive parking spot right here. Alright, well, we're going to go right back down where we were and continue forward on our trail. Alright, if you are walking down through here, remember the duck. Remember to look down, or you'll be down. A lot of rocks to trip over here. Somebody put some bulbs in the ground. Irises, I think. There's quite a few of them. They might not be irises, but they look like them. I don't know. Could be some... Oh, they're irises, because they're in bloom down here. Did you see that? They bloomed last night. I guess last night. They weren't in bloom yesterday. Yeah, they're all over the place. Maybe they grow wild out here. I don't know. All right, we have landed up here. If you watched yesterday's video, this is what they're calling a dog exercise area. Don't know how, why, where, or what, but anyway, it is fenced off. And I think our trail is ended. This is not much of a nature trail unless we did it wrong. Which we often do. And we're right back on our tour of the park again. I don't see any kind of trails, just all fenced off. Somebody knocked the fence over, but no, I think there's more of a trail than that. I'm gonna pause it right here, and we're gonna do some investigating. I'll bring you back when I figure it out. Okay, everybody, we come back to consult the map because that looked really short. We are here in 10, and what you saw us do was get on this little path right about there. And they're calling it the hiking trail, and all we did was come over to here, and then we walked up the road, and then this is what we saw, and we didn't know that this was part of this park. So we were actually on something called the hiking trail, which starts all the way back at the office. So we did about a half of the hiking trail, which ended where we ended. Now, the nature trail, we need to walk up that road, go all the way to the other end of the other campground, and then it's here. So we're going to do that tomorrow, and I will tack that onto this video. Welcome back. We're still here in the park, RV park, and we did the little nature walk for you the other day. We had a couple days of rain and hail. Attempt to film this, we are having a hailstorm. Look at the balls of ice on the ground. I'm going to run out in it. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm probably going to get hurt. Holy cow, we're having a hailstorm in New Mexico. That is a hail, and I'm getting pelted by it. Woohoo, that hurts. I'm going back in. Oh my God, my brand new truck. Holy crap. All right, and we're back to nice, beautiful, sunny days, and we're going to go up and do the walking trail part of this little adventure. And that is up on the other side of the campground. We're going to head up there now. How do we get on this little trail? I have no idea. Oh, I think we just found it. Unless that just goes to the office. I think that just goes down to the office. I didn't see one on the map that pointed towards the office. So, it should be interesting. Let's see what we can find, yeah? What the heck is this? Yeah, I'm a little confused. What's new, right? Well, we could not find any other signs, folks. So we're going to follow this one. Maybe this is the one. I don't know. It could be. Regardless, it's an awful nice day for a walk through the woods. Yeah, I can see the direction this is turning, so I think this is just going to walk down to the office. No big deal. So this is what Hidden Valley does. Someone built this little rock wall, planted these irises, is what we think they are, and made a nice little garden there. They've also spent an enormous amount of time This was also on the other trail too, putting rocks on both sides. Well, that was it. Full circle. We're back down to the bottom again. Our RV's just up the way here. So we never actually found the trail that I think was on the map, but we did find a walking trail. Very nice trail. Wasn't very long. Pretty easy to walk. So you can start down here at the office, start at the upper, go up and down it a couple times, whatever you want to do. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell for notifications, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, leave me comments, share the video. We'll see you pretty soon on our next adventure.